You're looking at a live view of Rogers Airfield awaiting takeoff for a historic drone flight at 2:25 p.m.
Today we'll bring you a flight that's never occurred before in the UK's airspace, over land. It's complex, it's full of technology.
At SenSat we use autonomous mapping drones flying about 80 meters above the ground to build accurate digital representations of what's below. These fly back and forth for hundreds of kilometers in a single day, taking millions of measurements to build these accurate digital representations. And the idea is to help our clients make better decisions based on the information that's out there from here on a computer instead.
10, 9, 8, 7, motor 6, 5, all systems 4, 3, 2, engage 1, take off.
And here we have takeoff. The Sparrow is in the air. We're about to hit the 12-kilometer mark.
11.8, 11.9.
And that's 12 kilometres.
That's 12 kilometers. So Harry, we've done it.
The UK first.
There's a view from another drone in the air, and it should be capturing the... Oh, there he is. There he is. Sparrow has landed.